Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third Sudoku. In this additional of today's newspaper of Monday. Yes, Monday, still Monday, December the 28th. 28th, yes. 2020. So we have 3 days to go. Then 2020 will be past. And 2021 is coming. Yes. Third Sudoku is a binary Sudoku. And this will be number 2075. Yes. Let me count what kind of binary puzzle is this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8x8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 1s and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here 1, there 1. We have now 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double O. Here 1. There 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O. Here 1. There 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Then. Between 2 1s comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Yeah. Now I need to compare, I think. Yes, this row and that row. Empty box. 0011 0011 0011. So we need to switch these two numbers. With O here, this should be a 1. With 1 here, this should be an O. Otherwise, if I don't switch, I copy this, then it will be a identical rows. Not allowed, one of the rules. Alright, so now we have between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. 4 O's in this last column, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s in the last row, so the rest are O's. 4 O's in this column, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's in this column, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Yes, finished in 4 minutes. Alright, I like this binary. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, boys and girls. And I will see you in a minute with the last Sudoku. And it will be a tectonic one. Tectonic with 4 stars. So see you later. Bye-bye for now.